The text indicates that the lesson provides guidelines for governing the country while also ensuring the fundamental what of the citizens. A. Travel plans and destinations. B. Hobbies and interests. C. Rights and duties. D. Expenses and savings. The correct answer is C. Rights and duties. What type of resource is described for learning about road safety? A. An ICT activity. B. For video documentary. C. A lecture. D. A book. The correct answer is A. An ICT activity. Treating dark-skinned people differently from fair-skinned people is an example of what? A. Discrimination based on color. B. Cultural appreciation. C. Social justice. D. Medical condition. The correct answer is A. Discrimination based on color. What level does the State Human Rights Commission of Tamil Nadu function at? A. District level. B. International level. C. National level. D. State level. The correct answer is D. State level. Where is SBIOI Model Matric HSS, the School of Chitra Umapti, located? A. Mogappair, Chennai. B. Trichy. C. Tanjavur. D. Salem. The correct answer is A. Mogappair, Chennai. What does the government require for individuals seeking a driving license regarding traffic signs? A. They must design new traffic signs. B. They must paint traffic signs. C. They must be well versed with traffic signs. D. They must memorize traffic sign history. The correct answer is C. They must be well versed with traffic signs. Empowering women in the economy and bridging gender gaps are key to achieving what agenda? A. Sustainable development. B. Cultural preservation. C. Global security initiatives. D. International trade agreements. The correct answer is A. Sustainable development. The text describes the society we live in as comprising people from various what? A. Social groups. B. Negative consequences. C. Learning objectives. D. Unit numbers. The correct answer is A. Social groups. Defense is a subject found on which legislative list? A. Union list. B. Concurrent list. C. Local list. D. State list. The correct answer is A. Union list. Where did the Congress meet in 1929? A. Lahore. B. Delhi. C. Mumbai. D. Kolkata. The correct answer is A. Lahore. What is one example of a unitary form of government mentioned in the text? A. S. Chand. B. Oxford. C. New Delhi. D. Indian Constitution. The correct answer is C. New Delhi. What is one method of acquiring citizenship according to the Citizenship Act, 1955? A. By marriage. B. By donation. C. By adoption. D. By birth. The correct answer is D. By birth. How is the Speaker of the Lok Sabha chosen? A. Appointed by the President. B. Chosen by the Supreme Court. C. Selected by the central government. D. Elected by its members. The correct answer is D. Elected by its members. The section of law dealing with death due to rashness and negligence of a driver leads to which type of legal proceedings? A. Criminal proceedings. B. Injunction. C. Mediation. D. Arbitration. The correct answer is A. Criminal proceedings. Who pays the salaries of state government employees like collectors and teachers? A. Public donations. B. Local government. C. State government. D. Central government. The correct answer is C. State government. What body's chairman and members are related to the Chief Minister's advice? A. State Disaster Management Authority. B. State Education Board. C. State Planning Board. D. State Finance Commission. The correct answer is D. State Finance Commission. What do political parties form and run? A. Private corporations. B. International organizations. C. The government and develop public policy. D. Non-profit foundations. The correct answer is C. The government and develop public policy. What is the purpose of the specified mobile application? A. To learn about Indian history. B. To learn about national and state symbols. C. To practice language skills. D. To identify local flora and fauna. The correct answer is B. To learn about national and state symbols. What is the modern name for the Rupiah released by Sher Shah Suri? A. Rupees. B. Rupee. C. Yuan. D. Yen. The correct answer is A. Rupees. How many members of the Rajya Sabha represent the states and union territories? A. 12. B. 100. C. 238. D. 250. The correct answer is C. 238. What is the nature of the cabinet described as in the text? A. A constitutional assembly. B. An informal body. C. A formal committee. D. A temporary group. The correct answer is B. An informal body. What kind of news does the media usually report? A. Historical events only. B. Personal opinions of journalists. C. Local gossip. D. News of national and global importance. The correct answer is D. News of national and global importance. What is mentioned as a potential outcome of fixing the selling price correctly? A. Increased demand. B. Reducing loss. C. Earning profit. D. Lower supply. The correct answer is C. Earning profit. Which website is specifically mentioned as the official site for the Madras High Court? A. www.mia.gov.in. B. www.madrasjudiciary.org. C. www.hackmadras.tn.nic.in. D. www.tn.gov.in. The correct answer is C. www.hackmadras.tn.nic.in. Which country is an Indian Ocean island? A. ASEAN. B. Myanmar. C. Maldives. D. India. The correct answer is C. Maldives. The text mentions that different types of discrimination are still reported across which country? A. China. B. India. C. United Kingdom. D. United States. The correct answer is B. India. Who holds the office of a Supreme Court judge? A. Only other judges excluding the Chief Justice. B. Only the Chief Justice. C. The President and the Chief Justice. D. The Chief Justice and other judges. The correct answer is D. The Chief Justice and other judges. How do political parties aim to capture power? A. With economic sanctions. B. By constitutional means. C. Via public protests. D. Through military force. The correct answer is B. By constitutional means. Where did the group go after climbing the hill? A. For forest. B. A plain. C. A valley. D. Or a cave. The correct answer is B. A plain. Who is designated as the first citizen of India? A. Prime Minister. B. Chief Minister. C. Vice President. D. President. The correct answer is D. President. How did you score?